Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make customized applications without it going through shortcuts. So basically what I mean by that is when you make your custom applications as we're used to with iOS 14 so far, what happens when you click on the application is it quickly opens shortcuts and then it goes over to your application. It doesn't look smooth really. So I'm basically going to show you guys how to do this without it opening up the shortcuts application first. It's going to go right directly to your application, which is what we want. It'll look a lot smoother. Now to do this, all you have to do is go to your settings first off, and you want to go over to shortcuts. So just find the shortcuts application on your settings and just ensure that you have the allow untrusted shortcuts on. Most of you probably do already, but if you don't, just make sure you have that enabled. Then you guys can go into the description and comment section just to open up this link right here over to this shortcut that you need to add. So now all you do is click on get shortcut, and then we'll add it over to the shortcuts application. So we're just going to scroll all the way down on this, and then we're going to click on allow untrusted shortcut or add untrusted shortcut at the bottom. And then you just want to click on continue and done. And now I already have this in mind, but if you don't have it already, you'll go right to add shortcut. So I'm just going to click on replace, for example, and then you'll see the added to my shortcuts. Once you have added to your shortcuts, you want to click over to the my shortcuts tab at the bottom left. And then you will see the icon themer here. I'm just going to get rid of the second one here so it's not confusing. But you'll just have the one icon themer application or shortcut right here. All you want to do is just click on it. And once you click on it, you'll notice you have three options here. Now, this only works for apps from the App Store as of right now. It does not work for your system apps. So like phone, clock, calendars, mail, that kind of stuff doesn't work for it yet. But any apps from the App Store like TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, all those apps do work great. So it is really, really worth it to try this out. Anyhow, all you have to do is click on search in App Store. And that's going to ask us what app we want. So if you just search for Snapchat and then click on done, it'll just take a second to load up. And then it will show us all the applications here. So we just click on Snapchat. And then it's going to ask us if we would like to allow access to itunes.apple.com. You want to click on OK. And then it's going to ask us to choose an icon. So if you don't have an icon already, let's just go to Safari really quick, and I'll show you guys what to do there. Snapchat icon. And then we go to images. And let's just say that we want this black one right here. We can just long press on the black icon and click on add to photos. And then we're able to go back over to shortcuts. And then we just can click on the icon themer one more time. And then we just have to search in App Store really quick one more time, just because we went to go grab the icon. So we just search for Snapchat one more time. Click on Snapchat. And then we click choose from photos. And then it's going to ask us to allow access to the photos application. We're going to click on OK. And then click on our Snapchat photo. Here's where we get to choose the name of the application. I'm just going to leave it Snapchat, but if you guys want to change it, you can just click on it here and change it to whatever you would like. Otherwise, I'm just going to click on done. And then here, it's just going to allow, you have to allow access as well one more time. So we're just going to click on OK. URL scheme, you can just leave it exactly how it is. Just click on done. And then here, it's going to ask us to download a configuration profile. You want to click on allow and then close. Then we can exit out of here. We're going to go over to our settings, and we're going to go to General, down to Profiles, and it's going to show us the Snapchat icon at the very top here. You want to click on that first one up top. It's going to say not signed, so we're going to want to click on Install at the top right, put your passcode in, and click on Install at the top right, and click on Install one more time. Once it's done, you click on Done, exit out of here, and as you see, our Snapchat application is right there, the white and black version. And then if you guys notice, if you just click on the application really quickly, it's going to open up directly to Snapchat. It's not going to open up to shortcuts first, so we can just close it one more time. And if we click it open, you guys will notice it opens directly to Snapchat. Now, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get your icons to open right to the application, not through shortcuts. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.